Today we're going to be discussing Google Plus Local. Why is this important to local businesses? The reason being is Google is putting a much stronger emphasis for the local business individual, and that is evident in the search results. If you look at the page, Google Local is taking up more of the spaces and pushing out organic, so it's very important that local businesses put an emphasis in that particular area. The other point I'd like to make is this area is changing drastically. Google is merging Google Places and Google Plus to form the Google Plus Local, so the look and feel and where information is entered will be changing and is changing as we speak, but the major concepts that we'll be talking about today should stay the same. So if we look at this page, this is a Google search result page, and in the number one spot is the paid results. They're the top 3 locations, and then down the right hand side you would have the other paid results. Position number 3 that you see there, the number 3 is the local results. You may, after paid results, see one organic, but typically you're seeing more and more local in that area. And the numbers or letters that appear in 3 correspond to locations on the map, so someone would get a very quick view or understand where that business is located. This heat map is to show you that what's been captured here is what people's individual experiences are, so they're visual, and that tells us that people tend to start at the top and go down the left hand side. They disregard the right, so the closer you are to the top, obviously the better from a search results perspective. Now let's look at what it constitutes ranking in Google Plus Local. There's a multitude of factors that come into play in this particular area. Of course, location is very prominent, so where the person is and where the business is located, the further the business is from when the person doing the searching, the lower they will be in the rankings. Reviews are very important, so the more positive reviews one gets, and also they should be in review sites that Google recognizes. If Google doesn't recognize the reviews, they don't get that much of an importance with regards to the search algorithms. The number of business listings, what you need to do is there's a twofold aspect here. This helps in the rankings, but also the more local listings, the higher the probability that you'll be found not only in Google but also in the local listings when people are doing searches. The number and quality of links to your website, the more the better. So again, with the local listings and the links, the local listings, the more, if you have one more than your competitor, then you'll be ranking higher than that individual. You also need to optimize the Google local listings, and we'll be talking about that a little later. You should also create a Google Plus account, and as I said, they're merging the Google Places and the Google Plus account, so that'll be one, and it should be managed in one location. Another ranking factor is years in business. So if we go on to the next slide, and this is just the Google Places listing that an organization creates. So you can see it's just basic information, country, the name of the company, its address, all that basic type. Its website location, description, category. You can put in the primary category and other categories that might be pertinent to this. Google is starting to force people to accept only the characters they put out and not ones that someone else puts in. The next part is whether people come to your location, so is it a retail location or are you a service industry where you go out and search out your customers, or you visit them at their particular location. If you're the latter, in today's world, Google won't let you have a Google Plus for that business. So then you can put in, what's the geographical reach for your territory, or you can list the areas in which you're serving. Now you put in the hours that you're open. You also put in payment information. You can put up to 10 photos. The first photo is the one that's the most prominent, so you should think hard about that. And a nice thing would be the alt tag should reflect the search terms in which you want to list for. The same in the category. That's the keyword searches that you're trying to appear for in the Google search. And similar in the alt tags, you should put them there also. You see videos, you can have up to 5 videos, and encourage you to do so. The fuller the listing, the higher it will be in optimized ranking. Then there's just a catch-all at the end. We like to use that for the additional search terms that you're trying to rank for, and so we place them in that particular area. You submit your listing, and it goes for approval, and eventually it will appear. Just showing you here our Google Plus site. We're a service industry, so Google won't let us verify this particular thing, but we encourage you to do that as well. I hope you found the information worthwhile. If you need any assistance whatsoever with regards to anything associated with SEO or Google Local or paid search or social media, please feel free to give us a call and we'll provide some free consultation. Thank you, and have yourself a wonderful day.